In this video, using the RIoT MINIHUB and a RIoT Control App, we'll show how to set up your smart device to remote control receivers. Your RIoT MINIHUB needs to already be set up onto your local Wi-Fi. There are two app versions for RIoT Control. The RIoT Control standard version has preset transmitter buttons, whereas the RIoT Control Pro allows the installer to create customized buttons and name these. Once downloaded and launched, select Menu, then Add New Hub. Briefly press the setup switch on your MiniHub, which will prompt your app to pair with your hub. Select Yes, and your device is now paired to the MiniHub. Using profiles, you can also set up multiple RIoT MiniHubs in separate locations. If you are using the standard RIoT Control App, you can select the number of transmitter buttons you wish to display by selecting Menu, then Handset Type. If using the RIoT Control Pro app, repeat the steps to pair the app to your hub. You create your switches by pressing Menu, then Add Edit Buttons. Press plus, then give your switch a name. Then you'll need to select a button style and a control type. Your switches can operate in an on-off latching mode, a toggle momentary mode, or a timer switch, where you can set a timer for any paired relay outputs to time out afterwards, after hours, minutes, or seconds. Once you've selected or created your switches on either control app, place your chosen receiver relay into Learn mode. Once in Learn mode, operate the switch on your app that you wish to pair. Your device will now operate your receiver via the RIoT MiniHub. If you're using multiple buttons to use with a receiver with multiple relays, for example a receiver with 4 relay channels, ensure each transmitter switch on your app is on a separate channel, so button 1 on channel 1, button 2 on channel 2, and so on. By enabling AutoMap on each switch, when placing the first channel on your receiver into pairing mode, by operating channel 1 on your app, this will automap buttons 1 to 4 to relays 1 to 4 on your receiver. You can also enable the feedback feature on your switches, which allows you to monitor the status of your paired relays from the green active, red inactive, or yellow unknown indicators on your app. Using the refresh button, this will provide an up-to-date status of your paired relays. The feedback feature is only available on selected receivers, so check this is available on your receiver before enabling this. To add multiple devices to operate the same relay outputs, repeat the steps. Once your relays and your app buttons are paired, you can operate your receiver from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection, your MiniHub is connected to Wi-Fi, and within operating range with the paired receiver. You can view the full list of receivers compatible with the RIoT MiniHub in the description. If you have any questions on the RIoT MiniHub or RIoT Control apps, feel free to leave a comment or contact us on support@rfsolutions.co.uk. Thanks for watching.